Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Got a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set of all season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in the vehicle, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. This GLA 250 has 34,389 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.